Hello to Tron classmates. Today I want to introduce the Edmodo educational platform. Edmodo is a technological, social, educational, and free platform that allows communication between students and teachers in a closed and private environment by way of microblogging created for a specific use in higher secondary education. In March of 2018, Noodle named Edmodo as one of the 32 most innovative online educational platforms. When registering an account is created where the person must identify himself as a teacher, a student, or a student's parent. It does not require installation or local configuration on the computer since everything is based on an application on the network. Edmodo helps to transform education through principles based on the fact that education's open minds and technology connects them. Edmodo aims to create an easy, safe, interactive, versatile, and free platform for teachers, which will reinforce what it says in class. It includes gamification in a simple way. The teachers assigns badges to his students, prizes for the effort. This can be the best comment, the most creative work, the best elaborated, etc. Badges can be created by the teachers or Edmodo, so they can be very personalized. Communication between teachers and students is the main key of this tool. The teachers create as many virtual classrooms as he wishes, and the student has virtual classroom in his profile. The tool allows synchronous and asynchronous communication, flexibility of schedules, collaborative learning, constructing constant, dynamic, and shared knowledge, active roles of teachers and students, develop of interpersonal skills, clear communication, mutual support, constructive conflict resolution. Well, and now I'm going to enter in the platform with an account of a friend of mine that had a course in this platform. Alright, I already in. Wait, I want to log out, login for Google. It's already login. Well, I'm sorry, I have some trouble with the platform. Then we just click here in login, and the platform has the options of do it with Google or Microsoft or another email that you want. Alright, so we are going to enter with Google. I already entered, so the platform has saved the user and the password, right? And then I'm going to enter. Alright, this is the platform, Edmodo. This platform is very similar with the platform of the UNAD. It has the profile, has the course, all the classes, the groups, Look, here says my parents. Invite a parent. So that way the parent can be enter and look how it's going the course. Yes, is very similar with the UNAT. They here are the forums, the works, homework unit 3. This is a test, another test. Yes, look, this is a previous class. The work was translated and the platform is very easy to handle. Yes, let's go click here. English 1B. Look, here we can see the posts of the forum, the folders, when we get um, add, add notes, the members of the course, the students, the classmates, they a lot. Yes, and the teacher. We can send message to the other participants of the course. This is the teacher. Yes, this is are the award that a model can give or the teacher. Yes. So this is all for the platform. It's a very easy to handle platform. These are the message. You can send the message to the teacher. So it's very like UNAT platform. That's all. That's all for today. Thank you very much, tutor and classmates. Bye.